Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, right here from Naga City, Camarines Sur, bringing you the very latest on our weather analysis for this Sunday through Tuesday, September 22 to 24, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now, before we begin, we would like to greet you all Bicolanos, and especially here in Naga City. Happy Peña Francia Fiesta to all. Now, it looks like we have a good 2 weeks ahead. Okay, as you know, we are now moving into the dry phase of the Madden-Julian Oscillation after almost a month of wet phase, wherein 5 tropical cyclones formed within the Philippine area of responsibility since September 1, since Enteng, and the last system, which is Igme, already left yesterday the Philippine area of responsibility, and today it has dissipated over the terrain of southeastern China, over Fujian Province. So the system is dissipating into a low pressure area, and Igme has brought about some enhancement of the southwest monsoon yesterday, and right now it's just affecting the coastal waters of western Luzon, particularly Ilocos region, and so far improving weather will be expected today and into the coming days. And it looks like this will be the end of the southwest monsoon, since the southwest monsoon is only up to September 30, and since we are now moving into another break, it looks like the next wet phase will be coming back last week of October, or maybe on November. So this might be the last of the southwest monsoon, and it will return next year between June to September again. Okay, and so far when it comes to tropical cyclone formation, when we have a dry phase, there will only about 1 or 2 that may form during the dry phase, and it looks like next week and there might be a system forming here to the south of Japan, away from the Philippine Islands, so nothing to worry about. And this system is somewhat not yet sure, and it might form outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, moving towards the southern islands of Japan here, and we will let you know in the coming days moving forward. Okay, so this is quite a relief after almost a month of heavy monsoon rains across our country and back-to-back tropical cyclones. That's what the Madden-Julian Oscillation does when it's stationary under the wet phase condition. Okay, so back to the normal tropical weather. We're in good weather. We'll be expecting in the morning, in the afternoon or evening there might be isolated rain showers or thunderstorms in some parts of the country. Here's the latest forecast from NOAA, from the Climate Prediction Center of the National Weather Service of NOAA of US. And here's the ensemble GFS phase diagram of the Madden-Julian Oscillation, and the Philippine Islands is located here. And as you can see, the Madden-Julian Oscillation wet phase has departed our area, and it's likely to move back towards the western hemisphere over the area of Africa for the next 2 weeks until October 5. And as you can see here, there's still we are still under wet phase, but beginning for the next 2 weeks until October 5, we are going to switch into the dry phase, meaning we will be experiencing below average rainfall less occurrence of heavy rains, and a few tropical cyclone formation. Okay, so most of them is on the upper latitudes, so that's good news for us. But again, since we are in the tropics, we expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon or evening, but not every day, every other day. It depends on the atmospheric conditions over our area. And so far, that's good news. By tomorrow, we'll be bringing you the very latest on the La Nina forecast, which is set to arrive. The slight La Nina is about to reach or the peak sometime December. So we will give you the very latest on that. Now here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. Here's now the remnants of Tropical Depression Igme, or 17W, which made landfall over Fujian Province. Okay, and it's fast dissipating. Tropical cyclone Helen is already gone. It's been absorbed into the passing frontal system, and the southwest monsoon is retreating towards the southern coastal areas of China, and there's a shallow LPA here, or weak LPA forming near the coast of western Guangdong province, or east of Hainan Island. But nothing to worry, it will just dissipate in the coming days. And over the Pacific, we have here a weak LPA 91W currently here, but it looks like it's dissipating as well. So our weather will be good in the coming 1 to 2 weeks. Now here's the final track of the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. It became a tropical storm briefly before it made landfall here over Fujian Province, and right now it's just a tropical depression, and within the next 12 hours it will be downgraded into an area of a low pressure system, or remnant low. Here's the latest ECMWF ensemble from easterlywave.com, and here's the tracking of the shallow LPA. It will not intensify, it will just remain as low pressure. And we have here another one that is expected to move to this direction, but no developments whatsoever. The ensemble is lacking, only a few dots can be seen here. And so far, that's the good news that I will give to you right now when it comes to the weather situation. Now for the zoom in satellite animation, it looks like we are back to normal. Isolated scattered rain showers can still be seen over Mindanao, parts of the Visayas, and the Bicol region, on the cloudy skies, and a few thunderstorms in some areas of Region 5. And also here over the western sections of Luzon, improving weather conditions will be expected, but there are some thunderstorms still passing over Metro Manila and parts of Calabarzon. So far so good. And if you take a look at the latest on the rain forecast for the next 3 days, so tomorrow morning expect good weather, sunny skies, and in the afternoon thunderstorms over southern portions of Mindanao as well as the western portion, that's Zamboanga Peninsula, and also over the western sections of Luzon. There's a possibility of a thunderstorm over Camarines Norte, Bundok Peninsula of Quezon, Panay, Negros. These are isolated ones. And on Tuesday morning, good weather again. There are some thunderstorms here over eastern Visayas. In the afternoon of Tuesday, we expect another round of thunderstorms over southern and western Mindanao. It looks like the same areas. Okay. Wednesday morning, it looks like good weather will be expected across the country except for areas of Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, in the area of Sibuyan Sea and Visayan Sea. There might be some localized thunderstorms. And in the afternoon of Wednesday, we expect another round of thunderstorms across most parts of Mindanao, Visayas, Mimacopa, and also over Metro Manila, parts of Central Luzon, Bicol Region, Calabarzon. So that's the situation. The usual afternoon or evening rain showers will again become the dominant weather system. So far that's the forecast when it comes to rain. So the total rainfall accumulation today until Wednesday evening, it looks like mostly thunderstorms are focused over Visayas and Mindanao, and also over Romblon, Masbate, and Palawan, while the rest of Luzon will have medium to lower chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, except for those areas of Manila, Central Luzon, Bicol, where on Wednesday afternoon there might be a chance of thunderstorms. Now for the wind forecast, everything's quiet. Tomorrow Monday, very light winds from the east over the Visayas, eastern Bicol. The rest will have calm condition with variable winds. Tuesday, light winds from the east blowing across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and over Bohol Sea as well. Now on Wednesday afternoon, variable winds, calm conditions will be expected in most parts of the country. Very light winds over the Bicol region blowing from the east will be expected on Wednesday. So far for the next 3 days, it's all quiet, okay, when it comes to the winds. And here's the wave forecast. For the next 3 days, we will return to up to only about a meter over the East Philippine Sea, while over the inland waters of Mimacopa and Visayas, as well as southern Bicol, we expect calm conditions to almost half a meter of wave heights will be expected. And over the West Philippine Sea, that includes the Kalayaan Island Group and other areas of the Spratly Islands, Panatag Shoal, the wave heights will not reach 1 meter. So it will be below 1 meter. So very suitable for fishing and sea travel. Again, watch out for these localized thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening if you are going to ship around or fish around the Philippine waters. So please take all necessary precautions. And that ends our update for this September 22nd, start of the autumn equinox, or the fall for the northern hemisphere. And it's also the start of the lowering of the temperature from around 30s, okay, 35 or 40 degrees. When it comes to heat index, it will become slightly cooler compared to the past 3 months that we are in the middle of the summer season. But in the Philippine Islands, it's a rainy season, wet season. But since we are now into the fall months, the southwest monsoon will end, and we are now into the transition period during the month of October. And when November comes, we are now shifting into the winter monsoon, known as the northeast monsoon or Amihan. Okay, so we will return again in the middle of the week. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Have a great blessed Sunday. Happy Peñafiesta Fiesta. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.